approximately 13 billion years ago, there was nothing. There was no space, no time, nothing. But then, there was light. The size of a marble, this small fireball was extremely hot, and inside it contained all of space. Suddenly it explodes, a theory known as the Big Bang. This was the beginning of time. At a trillionth of a second after the explosion, a war breaks out between matter and antimatter. At this time, the universe is so small it could fit inside the palm of your hand. A fraction of a second later, it was the size of Mars. Another fraction of a second later, and it was 80 times the size of Earth. Minutes after the Big Bang, the universe is expanding at the speed of light. Meanwhile, matter prevails in its war over antimatter. If this did not happen, the universe would only contain gas. 380,000 years later, helium fuses with hydrogen to finally create the elements essential for physical existence. Galaxies, stars, solar systems form, in addition to the sun and planets, and eventually life on Earth.